Hi, Candace Carter. Thoughts to go? Maybe it's a weird theme, maybe not. Do you ever experience that you make a decision and you think this is really the direction I want to go now? Maybe another direction from whatever you've been doing up to now? It might be an addition, but it might be something that has a lot of new qualities and new things that interest you, and you have the feeling what you've been doing up to now is good. It's just there's a point where you think it's adequate to do something else. Now, I thought this. I have been writing for over 3 years and less painting, less and less. And I still teach some, yet writing was like going back to something I loved from my childhood, from my youth. I've always written. Sometimes I think it's something I'm even better at than painting. Whatever. So, and then you find out there's still a fascination. I went to a show today here in Karlsruhe, and it's about what artists have done in times of need, in times of war, in times of disease, in times of corona. What do we consider socially relevant? And art doesn't always fall into this category. We're not socially relevant, but yet we are, because we're kind of like barometers that can pick up on what's going on in the time and change it into something that people can relate to some kind of art. So I went to the show. It's called About Social Relevance. And immediately I was back in the fascination of my work, the fascination of art history, the fascination of what has been done, what has been painted, drawn, etched. You walk in and the first thing is a very, very small etching from Picasso. It's about like this big. Of a poor family. There's a child laying down. There's a mother. There's the father sitting. Very simple theme. And you immediately know the empathy involved in painting, in drawing this etching. And then you walk into the show and you see works of artists and you know them. You've known them all your life. I never really had teachers. I always had art history. And I see a Beckmann and I see a Hodler, Ferdinand Hodler. I see paintings. And I think I could have stayed for 15 minutes in front of a very, very small Goya. It only portrays a man carrying a dead boy on his back. That's it. But it is so, art can sometimes just pull things together without words, without language, without movement. It's a very, very distilled type of work to draw. And I walked through this show. It's an amazing show, very good show. And each time it was like meeting old friends. I know these artists. I know their work. They have been part of my life for so long. And I began feeling the itch. I think I would like to draw again. I think I would like to paint again. I would do this or that. It was amazing to find out there's still so much fascination there. I thought I was moving to a new direction. So what do? If you've ever had this experience, you've made a decision and then you find, oh wow, wait, I can't really move out of that yet. I guess you just keep working in both areas and see what happens. And sometimes wish you had maybe 9 lives so you could follow all your interests. But anyway, that's enough for today. I'm over my time for Thoughts to Go. This is Thoughts to Go. This is for the first playlist.
and you will hear from me again.
Okay. Bye bye.